Hi, I'm Melissa Flagstad of U.S. Facilities Lighting, also known as USFL. We are a high-efficiency lighting company that specializes in LED solutions. Our solutions provide energy cost savings from 50 to 90% throughout all commercial industries. Those savings may seem like a lofty claim, but companies across the U.S. are realizing those savings, and they are supported by independent research and case studies. Not surprisingly, the energy discussion is often overshadowed by other day-to-day operations from a company. And the green energy talk is often regarded as a fashionable one rather than one that produces positive bottom line results. LED is no longer just a fashionable discussion, but one that companies are using to deliberately find powerful cost-saving tools. And LED technology is swiftly moving into the industry, and companies are realizing there is a cost for waiting. Although LED has been around since the 1960s, in recent years, technological advancements have spiked. LED solutions far surpass the traditional glass and brass. And with the advent of intelligent lighting and features such as daylight harvesting, further savings can be found. LED solutions not only provide significant energy reduction, but with federal tax incentives as well as utility incentives, deeper savings can be found. And in some instances, financing is available and can produce a positive cash flow from day one. You might ask yourself, would you be able to qualify for 50 to 90% energy savings or any of those tax or utility incentives? The answer is yes. Let us show you how. The next step is for you to call and schedule an energy audit. Our energy audit will provide you with a detailed assessment on where you can save on energy costs. We will leave no stone unturned, and we will pull in every resource available to help you save on those costs. Simple as that. Call our toll-free number. We have the resources, the knowledge, the presentation tools to help you make impactful decisions with confidence. We look forward to meeting you. Thank you.